Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I love a good morning routine because it just puts me in a better frame of mind. I am not a morning person, and I found that this loose leaf English breakfast from Positively Tea is just what I need to get off on the right foot. The taste is absolutely incredible. I'm a little bit picky when it comes to tea because I drink so much of it, and this has such a robust flavor to it. It's rich and malty, and it absolutely satisfies that need for me to have something that is caffeinated but just tastes so yummy. I never want to stop drinking it. For me, the caffeine content in this is just perfect. It's enough to get me up and going, but not too much that it makes me jittery. I like enjoying my English breakfast with a little bit of creamer and a sweetener. I've had it both with dairy half and half or even with a cashew creamer, and both of them tasted really good. I love that after I've brewed a cup or a pot of this tea, I can see what good quality the tea leaves are. Positively Tea takes their sourcing really seriously, and as a company, they're very committed to sustainable farming practices. This tea is organic, and you can really just taste how flavorful it is and what a top-notch tea it is. If you're a connoisseur of tea, or maybe you're just starting to get into it, you definitely need to try this English breakfast loose leaf from Positively Tea. I have been enjoying every single drop. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.